Hello all, welcome back to my channel The Interior Concept. Myself Pushpita, and welcoming all with another episode of The Interior. And it's pretty long back I designed and executed this project. It's in another place. It's the Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Orissa, and I did this interior almost 1.5 months back, but was not getting time to record and provide or present in front of you. So today I took the opportunity outside on a roadside to take out that time and shoot the intro, and I will get you through the entire it's a villa project, and I have done, it's basically a pretty old house, and it was constructed some 30-40 years back, and the owner of the house wanted it to give a new twist to it. So that's why I have renovated it completely, including the flooring, the ceiling, the paints, everything. So I will basically it's a I wanted you to give you the entire design and what all things we have done, and it's a pretty 3 months project. So I wanted you to show the entire look of it. So that's why I will make parts of it. So this is part 1, where I will be showing you the living hall design. And in the living hall design, we have used some of the old furnitures, because when the old furnitures come into picture, the owners attachment to the furnitures also we have to consider. We cannot demolish everything, because even we have to take into consideration those attachments and the feelings attached to those furnitures. So we have considered some of the old furnitures. Also, it will not add up to the cost. So whatever even the old furniture, we have given a new touch to it. So that's how. So let's take a look at it. So before starting the revealing of the new designs and how it looks, I will go through all the old pictures which we have taken prior the during the baking and during the electrical concealing. So these are some of the old pictures where it's all messy, and some of the walls we have baked and concealed it all for the electrical wiring, so that it will give a neat and the final product will be without any wire showcasing. So this is how it is. Now I will show you the designs that we considered, like we discussed with the client, and we have finalized some of the designs which are neat and not too heavy in look. So this is a TV wall which we have shifted. Earlier there was a door, we have broken that door, concealed with a wall, and we have made this design. And here we have done like wall paneling, and I'll come to the next picture. This is the area where the client wanted to have a wash basin, but it will not look like a wash area because it is the entrance of the house. Like there are 2 entrances to the house, so that's how it is. We have made a cladding wall, and this is another like a partition kind of design which we have made, so that there will be a partition between the dining and the drawing area. So this is how it is, and I have put again some lighting and some planters, and this is how it looks after the final finish is done. We have arranged it so nicely. It is basically the TV unit which we have shifted from the other side of the wall, and there was a door here So we have broken that door because there were too many doors in the same room. So we have broken that, and we have added this particular wall with a lot of light arrangements, some panelings. So it is like a PVC panel we have used, and this was the earlier picture how we were like doing it slowly, and now it has turned to this awestruck design, which is basically in the night it looks really nice with that glow and some artifacts on it. It really looks amazing, and the client is too happy on it. So now this is how it was coming up after I went there. The final things were like we cleaned the house, and the decor, I started doing the decor. So because that's a part of the package, we do the decor in the project. So this is how it was looking. Slowly you'll see the things were added, a lot of greenery, and see, this is the drawing area where the sofa was there. I was talking about in the intro that it was an old sofa. We renovated, we changed the fabric, changed the foam, everything, and polished it, and it goes so well with the total interior. And you see the decors are adding to the beauty. And this is how, I mean, the entire getup looks so nice and cozy. It looks really nice. So in this particular partition which I was showing in the 3D image, it has come as is, like the wall we created in between the drawing and dining is blending with the design, with some lighting, the Buddha, and a lot of planters on this particular area. You can see it's a pretty nice look with all green. The color goes very nice, and this is how it looks like. There is a divan which was already there, so we have not used much of furnitures over here, but what was there we used it, so it didn't add to the cost, and which the customer was happy to it, and happy on that particular area. Here we created, you can see a lovely cozy area along with the divan. So this is how it looks. It is really nice. It is blending with the color. The curtains we did not change. It was the old curtain. So we added a lot of color matching to what earlier it was. So we added this particular glass unit which you can see over here to keep a lot of artifacts the client had. So you can see the corner behind the Buddha, there is a glass unit which we created so that he can stuff all the artifacts collected in the entire life. And this is the partition which has all planters on it with some small niche placed on it, so beautifully decorated. And the sofa looks like a brand new sofa because we have taken this particular texture, the leather kind of a texture, but it's not leather, it's a fabric. And we added some light arrangements, some photo frames, so it really looks very cozy kind of a thing. Arrangement of the decor also adds to the beauty, as I said earlier. And this is how, I mean, this entire setup gives like both the time, like daytime and the night time. See how much space it has created in that entire living hall. You can see there is a chandelier. There is a dining table which is almost matching, which was already there. We have not added to it. And see, when you do the interior, the wall paint and all such decor, it adds to the beauty. Along with the old furnitures also, they also start glowing. So the idea of renovating the entire villa was done very nicely. And so you can see the wall colors are also, you know, blending with the entire thing. We have done the fall ceiling as well, so you can see there's a cornice kind of a fall ceiling. And yeah, so these are some of the beauty which we have added here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you know, please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Share with people who are planning to create their own home, their dream home rather. And I will make that possible definitely. And as you saw, it's all remotely done, and you can do it any part of the country. So definitely I will be open to, you know, execute and you know, create that space for you. Thank you so much. Please सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू सो मच.